Alright, so the Galaxy Unpacked event is scheduled to go live in a couple of hours, and here's everything you need to know before you watch that. Now, unfortunately, Samsung's publicity department has been very interesting these past couple of weeks, as we basically know almost everything that we expect to get from today's event. We know about the new foldables that we're going to get. We know about the prospective release of the Galaxy Watch 4. We know that we're going to get the Galaxy Buds 2, and there's possibly going to be an announcement of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE as well. Now, let's start with the foldables. So we know we're going to get the Z Fold 3, and that in its own right has a couple of differences from the previous generation, which is the Z Fold 2. We expect to get a new camera module design, new color options, and when you open it up, there is going to be the absence of the hole punch, as we expect to see an under display camera as well. Now, also rumored to be coming to the Z Fold 3 is something that a lot of fans have wanted for a while, and that is S Pen support. Now, moving on to the Z Flip 3, I think this person was also able to get their hands on it, and I apologize for the video quality. This was on Twitter, compression and so on and so forth reduced it significantly, but on the Z Flip 3, this is largely similar to the form factor and the design of the original Z Flip, but the external display has been increased quite a bit, as that was one complaint a lot of users had with the previous generation of the Z Flip. And we also expect to get a two-tone finish reminiscent to that on the earlier Google Pixels and other devices with two-tone finish. Now, moving on, we've got the Galaxy Buds 2, and I've covered everything you need to know about the Galaxy Buds 2 in my Galaxy Buds 2 video, which you can check out in the iCard above. These are basically a watered-down version of the Galaxy Buds Pro, and they're going to be starting at a cheaper price than the Galaxy Buds Pro, but they lose out on some features like 360-degree audio and some of the Galaxy Labs features as well. You still expect to get active noise cancellation, which is quite good, and if they price it quite properly and the sound quality doesn't reduce, then I believe that these would actually be quite good value for money. Moving on from that, we've got the Galaxy Watch 4. Now, this is something that a lot of people are actually quite hyped for, as this is the first smartwatch to be rocking the new collaboration between Samsung's Tizen and Google's Wear OS. So this is going to be rocking, I don't know what they're gonna call it, Tizen OS, Wear O Tizen. Anyway, it's going to have this new operating system. It's going to have a lot more capable hardware to run this operating system, but it is something to look forward to actually, and I guess they're going to give us more details during the event happening later today. And as for the Galaxy S21 FE, I'm not sure it's going to be announced during today's event, but it's something that has been speculated to be cancelled or to be delayed due to lack of chips or something like that, and we're going to have to wait until the event starts to see if the leakers saying that there is going to be an S21 FE were right, or if it was truly postponed or even cancelled. But let me know what you think about this in the comment section right below the like button. Subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my future Samsung coverage, and you can check out any of my other Samsung related videos on the screen right now. Peace.